What's good, y'all? I'm back to show with another video, and as y'all can tell, I'm in a Hellcat right now. Cause today we're actually gonna do something a little mod to the car. Nothing crazy, you know, just cosmetic mods as of right now. I've been doing, as you can tell from the last video, I did do my hood wrap, which looks good. But I actually ordered some, I think they're called puddle lights. It basically, when you open up the door, it'll have the emblem of the Hellcat, which is what I'm doing. But I've seen people have the RT badges, just Dodge badge, or even Scat Pack badges. I don't know how hard it's gonna be to install or how easy it's gonna be to install, so I just want y'all to kind of join me while I do this. So here go the product, you know. And then I think they did send me a screwdriver. Bro, what's wrong with me, bro? This one's easy, bro. Yo.
He said that man, he barely gonna be getting out of work at 6.
Alright then. Bye. And look at my video, man. Let me get the car. I do know I have to get underneath it right here, so let me get down, man. Get down and dirty. Oh shit. Hopefully y'all, oh yeah, it's right here. It's out. Is it hot? Nah, it's not hot. I gotta pop this thing out, and then should be good. I got my. I don't think I'm gonna need this because they sent me this right here. So I'm gonna try to pop it off with one hand. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do it. Oh damn. Okay. Can I just? No, I can't do my finger. From the side or from like? What the fuck? I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Okay, I think it's popping out. Okay, so we got it out, kind of. Yep, there we go. So it looks like this. OEM, you know, dirty. Okay, let me put the screwdriver down. It is cold out here, so hopefully y'all could hear with the wind as well. It's like 30 degrees in Chicago right now. So how do I take this off? Ow, it is hot. Ow. Damn. I have no idea how I'm gonna pop this thing out. I don't want to like electrocute. Whoa. Okay. I might have to put y'all down for a second because I do not see a click. Oh, I think I felt it. Is this a click? I'm not gonna. Oh yeah, it's out. It's out. It's out. It's out. Okay. So we have this, and now it's time to open this up before we start the video. Hey man, this is hard to do with one hand, I'm not gonna lie. But we will get it done, yes, we will. Okay, this is what it looks like. So now just plug it in, like so. Here's the OEM one, and then here's the new one I'm gonna put in. Just plug this thing in. Am I like a bot right now, or like what the fuck? Alright y'all, so we're done with one side. Now we're gonna take our ass over to the next side. Here is the old Dodge one, OEM one, you know. On this side. Pop this bad boy open. Okay, cool. Let me set this down. Damn, it's cold out here. Cool. So, first let's pop out the old one, like we did on the other side. Ow! Dumbass motherfucker. This side was pretty easy. And that one's out. So OEM one is hot as hell. I burned myself on the other side, so wear gloves, you know, but I just don't do it because I'm a real one. So here is the second aftermarket part. There you go. Screwdriver is done now. This will no longer be needed. Throw that in there. So now let's do this side. And boom, we have it. Oh, you can see it right here on the door. Oh yeah, you see that? It's a Hellcat, baby. Oh yeah. So this one's good. You just put it back in. Oh fuck. And we're good. Honestly, this wasn't really a hard mod to do. Pretty straightforward. If I could do it, you could do it. Literally, I am one of the worst people to hire on your car to work on cars, but I think I'm gonna pull up to a parking garage right now so I can see what it looks like. But here are the OEM ones. If you want to buy it, let me know. 20 bucks a pop. I'll catch y'all then. What's going on, y'all? It is nighttime now. The install is done, so now I'm gonna show you the results. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all ready for this? Hold on. You know, people gonna know what car it is when you open the door, man. Automatically. Stop playing with them. Come on now. So I think it came out dope, but one thing I wish I would have had the SRT with the Hellcat logo next to it, but for like $30 it was a good mod, so I can't complain. Let's check out the other side. Tail lights, boy. Yeah. If we get in this car, I'm actually gonna know what car it is. It ain't no Scat, it ain't no Hemi, ain't no V6. They gonna see the cat. They gonna see the cat. You know? But yeah, man, this is it. Pretty dope, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, comment. Oh, just trying to get my lighting. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out.